I might freeze and flatten this or like bounce it, and then we can layer this as well. So I'm gonna keep this on and we'll just like make cuts. So I'm running like, I got halftime on this. I've been using Shaperbox a lot recently. I used to find it like quite daunting, but I've just been using it heaps more. Sometimes plugins are like that. Like when you're just intimidated, you just gotta just dive in and just like click on random shit until you learn how to use it basically. We got halftime, then I laid it with this like crush. It's just adding in like random amounts of like bit crush. The lower that this like grid goes in these points, that's when like more distortion's added or like more bit reduction. I laid it with noise, which is essentially the same principle, but adding noise instead of distortion. And you can change like the type of noise. There's like, you can probably add your own, I don't know. If you pull down the pitch, it's more of like a texture. You know, when you add noise, it kind of sounds like distortion. It's like upper range harmonics. But when you pull the pitch down, it's like lower frequencies. And it adds kind of like a textured layer to your sound. So it's something that I've been playing around with. And then you can kind of like smooth out the curve. In this one, I just had it set. I think I set it set to like 20%. So this is pretty harsh when the noise comes in. But if you look at the crush, see how it scoops? That's because I've smoothed it out. A lot of you guys watching this probably already know all this kind of stuff because Shaperbox has been around for so long. But like I have literally never used it for anything other than like halftime or just clicking on random presets. But now I'm like starting to play with it and starting to create my own presets. So a little bit late to this. I'm very late to this actually. But yeah, having heaps of fun with it. So it's all that matters. But yeah, it kind of gives me like some like Sigur Rós type feeling. Alright, so that's it for the video.